Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute, but I am finally uploading a hair video. I'm going to be blow drying my hair for the first time, so it's going to be like a wash and go with dry hair. I'm going to be using two products, the Melanin Hair Care line, the oil, as well as the styling cream. Don't judge my little alcohol spray bottle. I put water and oil in there. But basically, what I'm going to be doing is just wetting my hair a little bit. I already washed it, but it dries really quick. And finger detangle, put a little cream, put a little oil, and make it do what it do. So enjoy the video.
You feel alive, look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. Still leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, I put it in the song.
So I'm going over my hair one more time to make sure every strand is coated with the conditioner and the oil, and that it looks how I kind of want it to look when it dries. Now, moment of truth, I got this Conair blow dryer from Target. It's nothing special. So what I've seen online is like pulling my hair down from the top to stretch my hair and to give it more volume. Also, I was trying to eliminate frizz and just going around my head and trying to get it as dry as I possibly can. Like I said, this is my first time ever blow drying my hair, so I didn't really know what I was doing. I just knew the general look that I wanted.
So we both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, I put it in the song.
So after knocking my glasses off, I've finally finished my hair and I am in love with how this wash and go came out. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.